What's going on, guys? It is Reaper, and today we're going to go and do something pretty cool. Today, we're going to take a trip to Denton, North Carolina to go and surprise my dad. Now, Denton is not a very close trip, so it usually takes me from here about an hour and a half, 2 hours, sometimes depending on how bad the traffic is. Usually it's not too bad, but we're going to see today. Hopefully, we'll be all right. But I never do any long-form content. So today, I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to go on that trip together, and we're going to have a great time. And also, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to First Manufacturing Company. You guys have been asking lately, hey, what gloves are you running? These bad boys right here. These gloves have lasted me longer than any other pair of riding gloves I've ever had. And they're super durable. They have great padding in them. And just like with every product that First Manufacturing sells, they come with a warranty. So if there's any kind of rips, tears, anything like that, you'll be covered. And like I said, they always take care of us and they support our channel. So if you guys could, just use code Carolina Reaper Customs at checkout for a discount. Using that code supports our channel, and I really do appreciate you guys using that. It really does mean a lot. All right, y'all, I'm going to get going. I will see y'all on the road.
Now, guys, it doesn't really account for the traffic, but the traffic in Asheboro can be absolute hell sometimes because it's just like at a standstill. And also getting off that highway can kind of be a pain too. So typically it'll take me about an hour and a half to maybe 2 hours, depending on how it is. But that's also when we leave from my house. And I'm gonna have to stop and get some fuel and stuff as well, so we'll see. And I'm hoping that we'll be good weather-wise going out here, because we have had a lot of rain the last few days, and it rained all like this morning, so hopefully it'll be pretty good, you know, from here on out. I didn't even check the radar. I know it's a rookie move, but you know what it is, man. This is what happens when you ride motorcycles, dude. You take risks. You take risks on the weather, you take risks on the road, everything. But as my good buddy Woody always says, whenever we text about the rain, saying, okay, where are we meeting up? It's always, we ride, we ride. That's right. Unless it's bad, we ride. And if it is bad, then we'll just stop and pull over, and then we'll just wait it out. I'm not too worried. Let's lock in and get some miles down. Guys, this right here is called Death Valley that we're getting on in Greensboro. Hate this shit. And I didn't think it was going to take me this way. I thought it was going to take me another way, but you know, we're here now. It is what it is. Right over there, you can't see it for the trees, but that used to be the old Greensboro Harley Davidson over there. I don't know what it is now, it's something else, but it used to be the Greensboro Harley. And back in the day, my dad did some shows over there. Alright guys, we're in Asheboro finally. We made it. Now we gotta get us some gas. We got 16 miles of range, man. I usually don't like going this low. But there's a gas station right up the road as soon as we get off of this exit up here. So we'll be good. We're gonna stop there and get some fuel. We're gonna get some fuel, I'm gonna get a water, and then I need a pack of Reds. Don't let me forget the Reds, they're very important. It's nice to know that all the construction is still going on here, dude. Last time I come down this way, I think it was like September last year, and it was just like this. They're Gators fans? Man, fuck you. If y'all didn't know, I'm a Florida State fan, so fuck these guys. And also a pack of red shorts. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I'm glad I put this thing on. Sound like a damn club here, fuck. Appreciate it. Let me tell y'all something. It is very hot today. It is very damn hot. I don't even know what the temperature is. I haven't even looked at the temperature before I even left. It feels like it's about 91. It's just very humid. I'll tell you that. It's very humid. But hey, you know what? I'm excited. I'm excited to see my dad, so it'll be good. Now, you know something, guys? I did say a while back, I said, you know, Denton is like a very boring town, but I will say this. I mean, if you want to live somewhere where it's peaceful, this is where you damn come. But there isn't nothing really here, you know, there's not really any restaurants, just like nothing really to do. When I come down here to my dad's, you know, it's not really a boring time, you know, because he's got a bunch of land, you know, we go shoot guns, you know, do whatever we want. I never come out here on my motorcycle to see my dad, and y'all are about to see why. Because this driveway, I'm very nervous, but you know what, we're gonna try it. The whole thing is like a quarter mile long, and it's just gravel, and it's hills and curves. And I don't know, man, I'm just nervous as hell to do this, but you know, it's just one of those things you got to kind of see if you can, you know, conquer your fear, or, you know, that sort of thing. Man, look how beautiful it looks up here. That's what I love, dude. The stretch to get to my dad's, like the whole little ride through these back roads, just so scenic looking. Like, just look at this, man. Look at this. God made all this. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy, guys? Well, maybe it ain't that crazy. I mean, it is God, you know. If you're God, you can just do whatever you want. So we're going to be coming up on a field here in a minute, dude, and it's just like so gorgeous. You can see all the mountains. You can kind of see them over there a little bit. I don't know if y'all can or not. GoPro sits a little bit lower in my eyes, so all right, here it comes right up here, fellas. Right up here is the view I'm talking about. Here we go, man. Just look at all this. Look at all this, man. And then when the cornfields are gone, dude, you can just see it so much more. Hello. All right, guys, I hope the lens filter is just not too dark for this. Oh boy, I'm nervous. Oh man, that was nerve-wracking. There's holes all over the driveway, and that's what's really nerve-wracking about it. Oh, we got through the thick of it.
You're a movie star. You said just a star.
So I wanted to give a quick shout out to my dad. He actually makes a lot of music content. He has his own channel. I'm going to turn it over to him and let him shout it out for you guys.
Hey guys, hope y'all doing good. Glad y'all following my cool son. Yeah, this is my little studio here. I got to write music, put stuff out. Hope y'all check it out. Studios, Michael Ken Studio 67 is getting ready to have some changes from the normal content. So I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for coming by.
It ended up storming pretty bad last night, so I stayed the night. And And then afterwards, I was sitting there thinking, you know, it might not even be going down the hill. It's going to be going up the hill that's going to be the challenge. But we're about to see, man. I hope this goes all right. Because you can't stop.
1 minute later.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, shit. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm all right.
Don't go down the dirt drives now.
I'm not.
Look at that cloud that's coming in from that way right there. I bet it's gonna rain in a little bit.
Yeah.
Love you, be careful.
All right, love you too.
Looking older than her years. Mama told me with tears, son, don't be the man your daddy is. Don't you cause misery. Don't let the whiskey make you bigger than you are. Son, don't you play those gambling cards. And don't hurt good women. I can still hear mama's words. The pain of a hurt good woman. Mama trembled those words. Don't hurt.
All right, guys, we're gonna make a little stop. I'm gonna stop at a gas station, get some water, dude. And yeah, I mean, I'm burning up, dude. I am toasting right now, dude. We've got, because I'm taking a different route, we got probably about an hour and a half left, maybe right at about an hour and 15 minutes. And what we're doing is I put in so that way we can go around Death Valley this time, so we don't have to run into all that traffic. We're gonna go around a long way.
Don't make us property with the words I do. Give us a chance to love you. Don't hurt good women. I can still hear mama's words from the pain of a hurt good woman. Mama trembled those words. Don't hurt good women.
So we pulled over to get us a little water and got a snack and a little smoke break in. But dude, it is so hot. It is crazy. I just like, if it would just rain for like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes at least. Just get me a little wet.
All right, guys, so we're back on the road. We got cooled off a decent amount and poured some of that water on my head and on my shirt, and we ain't got no gloves on. Our vest is all undone, man. We're in the breeze now. Hey, and we were actually way closer than I thought we were. I didn't know where the hell Sumner was. That's just the name of that school. But we were actually on the outskirts of Greensboro. Or maybe we were in Greensboro. I don't know. I just looked at the map. Well, no, because there's the exit for Greensboro there. So, yeah, we're fairly close.
From the pain of a hurt good woman. Mama trembled those words. Don't hurt good women.
Now we are in Reedsville. Now I just got like a 5-minute ride, maybe 10-minute ride or something like that to get to my house, and we are golden. Well, we made it just in time, didn't we? Whoosh.